Ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring to you that from the report I am getting in Ogun State, from Ogun State, right here in the foreign land, is saying that Ogun State government presence was witnessed today in different geographical area in Ogun State that is having problems of road. And I applaud that. Our correspondent in Ogun State told us that, which I will show you the video, told us that the presence of the government of Ogun State was witnessed at Akute in Ogun State, in a local government area of Ogun State. Also, his presence was recorded at Olambe area of Ogun State, and also the presence was recorded also at Okaro Junction in a local government area. I know he went to other places, but it's a very good movement, because I can't see the reason why a governor, when you were going for campaign, you visited almost all the nook and crannies of the place, even going to women's pot of soup to tell them to come and vote you. And when they have voted you, when you have promised them heaven and earth, promising them good life, good living, you are going to turn this to become like this and turn the road to become an express. After all these campaign promises, you still go back and continue dealing with the people. Governor Abiodun, you have tried today, whether you are in the entourage or you are not in the entourage, but we saw pressmen, government house press of Ogun State. We saw police officers. We see even different officers from the videos we have seen. We saw officers of all sorts, both the DSS, SSS, as you may call them. We saw them. Praise that for Abiodun, the governor of Ogun State. If your government is doing like this, and this, the condition people are in Ogun State, I'm not talking about Olambe because those places has no road. In Akute, no road there. In Okaro, in all of the parts in a local government has no road. I must tell you the truth. Prince Dakwa Abiodun, I know you have visited UK where we are. Is it how the roads in UK is? We need good things, but we cannot work for good things. On my previous video, I said that you are living outside Ogun State, and I am not mistaken. I am not mistaken. Even if you don't have a house in another place, your behavior towards your people is showing that you are not living in the state. Even if you live inside the state, it means your presence is not recognized. But I would want you today, your government have tried to come and see the road, how it is. At Olambe Junction, I saw the traffic that was there. The policeman was head on the traffic, and the other ones that passed went very far before they left the traffic. On a road that is broadened, that can enter 4 vehicles at a spot. Only one lane cannot enter one motor. I would want your government or you to visit that area when there is a heavy downpour, when there is a heavy rain. I would want you to visit that area. If your motorcade will live there without leaving some cars behind that have drowned in the sea, you know that what the people are suffering is not, I am not saying the truth. It may be eating you and people around you that is eating peanut from you. Like, I don't want to call their name, those ones that are eating peanut from you. Those bad advisors will tell you this guy who is he. But I'm telling you the truth. The road leading to Matogo, you know where Matogo is nowhere for motorists to pass there. These are the roads that are supposed to be amended in a very good way. Those places are supposed to be estates filled with good roads. The money is there. Only the money that is being that is being paid by Okada people as Okada tax, 𝐏𝐫𝐢𝐧𝐜 tax, and the bus taxes is enough to build the whole road in A4 in 2 months. But your government becomes so poor that everybody is embezzling the money that is gotten. Go and generate electronics tax collecting. Go and invest it so that your state will become a good state. Your state is the worst state in the whole Nigeria, followed by what is the name of this place? Benue State, followed by Benue. Your state is the worst deplorable road in the whole Nigeria. You hear the Olu one, it's just that Olu, if that or not, is having gully problem. If not, other roads are very good in Olu zone in Imo State. But your road is the worst. Ranging from your boundary from what is it called, Baga, to Akute, to Olambe, Okaro, Ishaga, leading to Agege. You have no road. The flyovers you built there are abandoned. It has not been completed for how many years? All the ones you are seeing, you see the flyovers in Akute. It was abandoned when Amosu is on the seat. Till now, you have not completed it. And what you promised the people, they are still looking at you to finish the campaign promise. Mr. Mosu, Prince Dakwa Abiodun, your people will ask you questions. The day you will know what you have done to your people is the day people will rampage, like the way Kenyans have rampaged. That is the day you will know truly you have done your people good or you have done your people bad. That is the day you will know. Your investment, your people knows where it is. That is the day. If your investment or they spare you, that means you have done good. But if they do you bad, if they chase you, that means you have drowned these people to the extent they cannot lift up their head again. This is wonderful love, where truth is unadulterated. If you don't like it, go and hug transformer. But the truth must be spoken. Everywhere is abandoned cars. People are suffering, no food, no road. Transportation from those areas now is 1,500 to a distance of 200 of 100 poles. A distance of 100 poles is now 500, which is not supposed to be more than 150 naira. And you say your government is good. Is it good? Is it how the government was before you were born? Prince Dakwa Abiodun. I will stop here. God bless everyone that will share this. Continue sharing this. Continue reminding Prince Dakwa Abiodun that their road is bad. They don't have a good school. They don't have good hospital. People are dying. No food in the region. Ogun is accumulating a lot of land, but there is no food in Ogun. Open an industry, food industry, where people will go to farm and farm. Raise that money. It's not meant for embezzlement. It's meant for the people to become modern people, so that hunger will not continue killing people. Chase these young people that is on the road collecting money from people. Chase them inside farm. Go and chase them inside farm. Let them produce what they will eat and give to others. This nonsense of Aboro must stop in Ogun State. Every Yoruba young man now is looking at where you will go and stop a vehicle doing agro business. That is not business. And the more they are doing it, the more crooked the country is becoming. The more crooked the state is becoming. No food.